Alright guys, we're back with another video, and we are going to try to do some detailing with some chemical guy stuff that I got off of Amazon. We've got the regular foam stuff, which is what I use in all my cars already. But then I also got the matte detailer spray, as well as the wheel cleaner, because these wheels if you look, I mean, brake dust is everywhere on these wheels. So I'm gonna try this wheel cleaner and detail it. The wheels are matte, so I figured that the spray detailer would work the best. So let's go ahead and crank this up and back it out, and I'm just gonna start washing it and trying to detail this thing. Is get the front part of this thing wrapped in a clear protective film, just so I don't have all these, when bugs and rocks and stuff hit, as you can see, it won't damage the bumper. So I'm planning on getting that hopefully in the next week or two. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm gonna start doing the I got this little electric pressure washer. We'll hook it up, we'll spray it down, and then I'll fill this foam cannon up with some of that chemical guy stuff. It works super well. You can wash your car in like 15 minutes with it. So stay tuned. So what actually I'm gonna do is I'm going to dump this out real quick. I'm gonna put some new soap in here because this is old. I got everything hooked up. What I'm gonna do is I am going to pour some of this in here. You don't have to put much because it's so concentrated. So just enough to get on the bottom of this thing, and then we'll fill the rest of it with water. That really should be plenty right there. So let's fill the rest of this with water real quick. So we should be ready to go for the foam cannon. This thing works pretty well. I've had this for over a year, and you can see how much I've actually used. So all right, I'm gonna turn this on. Note to self, if you're actually washing a Hellcat, don't get water in here or in the headlight, because that's where the air intake is. We don't want to get water in our motor. this off with a brand new towel just to get all the water spots off. make it dry easier and not leave anything behind. So now that the car is clean, you can see still all the dirt on these wheels. And so now I'm going to use that wheel cleaner after I hose it down again, and then I'm going to pour some actual soap into this bucket and just kind of let it sit on there and then wash it off, and then we'll rinse it off and we'll put the matte wheel cleaner on afterwards. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to spray the wheel down, and then I'm going to spray this cleaner stuff on there, and it should take all the brake dust off, and you should see it turn purple, I believe, and then I'll wash it, and then after that we'll put the matte detailer on afterwards. Alrighty. Alright, so we're going to let that sit for a moment, and you should see it start to turn purple here in just a minute. Okay guys, what happened is it started raining, so I actually had to go inside before I got the car dirty or whatnot, but I went ahead and sprayed. This is the back wheel. It quit raining, so I've already done the front wheel. Back wheel, I sprayed it with the Chemical Guys wheel cleaner. Let it sit for a minute or two, and then we are going to we're gonna dip this in this bucket, kind of just go over it all. Try to get, these wheels are really deep, so it gets super dirty in here. Just try to get all the brake dust and stuff out of the inside of the wheel. Of course, through the brake calipers. I should get some brushes. I don't have any, but it's okay. I think we got most of it washed or wiped down. Alright, so now we're going to rinse it off. Get it all nice and washed off. I'm going to spray this out for the next wheel so we don't transfer dirt everywhere. Alright, so I'm gonna let this one kind of dry for a minute, and then I'm gonna come back and wipe it down with the matte black coating. Make sure it all stays good. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do the tire shine. Again, Chemical Guys tire shine. What I'm gonna do actually is going to just spray the sponge just a little bit, and then wipe it. instead of actually spraying directly on the tire. You get a little bit better coverage. You won't get it all over your wheel. And there we go. We're going to do the other side now. There we go. So you can see all the wheels are looking great. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about any of this Chemical Guys products, let me know in the comments below. Take care and have a good day.